Are you new to marketing and wondering how to get your product out there? Don't worry, I got you. In this video, I will share the simplest way to market a product for beginners. Step 1. Define your target audience. Who are the people that need your products? Think about their age, gender, interests, and problems you can solve. Step 2. Create a social media account. Choose one platform like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook and set a business account. Step 3. Take great product photos. Show your product in action and make it look appealing. Step 4. Write a compelling caption. Share the benefits, features, and a call to action to drive sales. That is it. By following these simple steps, you can start marketing your product like a pro. Remember, marketing is all about connecting with your audience and providing value. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more marketing tips. See you on the next one. Cheers.